guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY, and in today's video we'll be making a super cute and super fun decal for your dad. And I hope you enjoy. To start off, you'll need a copy or a drawing of a trophy, and if you like you can download this from my Instagram and then just print it out and cut it out. Then just place it on the back side of a sticky paper or a vinyl sheet and then just draw the entire outline, and it should look something like this. Cut it out and then go back to your drawing and kind of like cut the glossy shapes, and then trace the glossy looking shapes over another piece of vinyl. This time I'm only using a metal looking vinyl. All of the materials that I'm using are available at craft stores. You might find them at retail stores, but for sure you'll find them at the craft store. And once you have traced them and cut out, just peel them off from the paper and then place them on your trophy. If it's easier, use your drawing as a guide to know where to place them, or you can just place them on one single side. And to make it more detailed, with a black pen or a black permanent marker, draw all the divisions to make it look more like a trophy. Honestly, I feel like this step is optional, but I feel like it gives it more detail and it makes it look even prettier. And I was able to find these super cute stickers at the craft store, so I just bought them, so I thought they would look super pretty on my trophy. But if you want to give your trophy a special touch or even make it more emotional, you can always draw them or just simply write them on. And once your trophy is done, it'll look like this. And the best part is that all the materials we're using are waterproof and they will not cause any damage to your dad's car. And to stick it onto your dad's car, just peel it up from the back paper, and that's it. And this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Comment down below if you like this idea, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get every single video. Bye guys!